Hey, Paulie, can you fix the light? Hey, Paulie, when I tell you to fix the light, fix the light. I swear on my mother, one of these days you're gonna give me a freaking heart attack, Paulie. Fix the light. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be talking about how to tie a basic tie knot, which is also known as an oriental knot. Also goes by a few other names as well too. So this should be good. This is for people who don't regularly wear suits and button-ups and ties, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how to tie just a basic tie knot, also known as an oriental knot. Goes by a few other names as well, but to be simple and general here, we're just going to stick with calling it a simple knot. This will demonstration be for those who do not wear suits a lot or button-ups or ties all together, to kind of give an illustration on how to do it and to build a good behavior so that your repetition with it becomes better and you know how to adjust according to your height, your size, and eventually learn how to pick out the perfect tie for yourself depending on the suit and your body frame and shirt things as well. So what I'm gonna do here is work in reverse. Actually, before we get into that, I just wanna show you that the length of the tie, people wear them all different kinds of ways. I typically wear mine a little bit high if I'm wearing a suit. Can't really see it, but that's because I kind of, wear Salvatore Ferragamo belt, so I like the belt buckle to show, even sometimes when the suit is buttoned up. If you didn't know, you should customarily leave the second button unbuttoned if it's a two-button suit. So it just can kind of flare out, gives you more of a comfortable feeling, and it's easier to unhinge or unbutton when you're about to sit down. So what I'm gonna do here is work in reverse. This is an Oxford tie with a button-down collar, so two buttons right here. I typically wear these types of shirts because they give a cleaner look with wearing a tie, and they also look better when you take off the tie and just have the collar sticking up. The collar kind of stays where you want it to stay and looks pretty clean looking. So what I'll do here is unbutton that top button. I will take off the tie bar. I will show you the back so you see the narrow part behind the wider part. And this particular tie, just if you're curious, Polo Ralph Lauren gold crested tie with some diagonal stripes in it. Kind of a Oxford looking Ivy League tie. Kind of goes with anything. So what I would do here is start, well, if you can't see, I took this from the tie loop here. I took it out. So I slid it out. And now what I'm about to do is loosen up the knot, pull out the wide part, and from there you can just kind of take it out. So we'll let that relax. Undo the buttons on the collar. Let my collar stand up. So if you're at the beginning point, you're going to just kind of let your tie lay across your torso like that and around your neck. What you're going to start out with is having the wide part of the tie by your left side or your left hand, the narrow part of the tie on the right side with your right hand, And depending on the length of the tie and your height and some other factors, you will make your own adjustments into, how long you want the tie to fall down your stomach, and go from there. So with me, I like to wear it a little bit higher when I'm wearing suits. So I kind of raise mine up pretty high. The nail part is to the middle of my chest. What I'm going to do is cross the wide part around the front of the narrow, from left to right. With my right hand, I'm going to bring it around the back. Let that lay. And then you're going to continue with this right hand, bring it around the front. Now there's a loop. And you're going to bring it through the back. Through that back loop. And now on the front loop, where your index finger probably will be, you're going to bring it through the front. And now you're just going to hold this narrow part in the back. Hold it steady. Start making adjustments just with the front wide part. Start making adjustments on your neck. Make it tight, but not too tight. Make it comfortable for yourself. Kind of clean it out first in the front. What you want to do next is take your nail part with your right hand, bring it through that back loop, slide it through, and now they're formed together. Going to bring down your collar, and since this is a button-down collar, I'm going to button these, and you can make further adjustments. There's a little bit of space here, so what I'm going to do is bring this up just a little bit more. Sometimes people like to raise the tie. So I actually know a lot of people that likes to kind of raise this little knot up here to give it a raised thing. I do that sometime. You want to clean it out a little bit more. And there you go. Now you can button up this top button if you're wearing a 2-button suit. Make some adjustments on your handkerchief and if you got a tie bar, you can clip that. I normally want to clip it to your shirt as well too, because it just makes it stay. Give it a clean line. Probably have it somewhat on the same plane as your front breast pocket. And that is a basic tie, you guys. I will be doing further reviews on suits and other variations of ties, slim ties and knot ties and knit ties and things of like that nature. So do me a favor, leave your comments if you have any. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell on your top right, and I'll see you next time. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Thank you for joining me.